Hello signers, so welcome back to Sign With Me. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning how to sign ASL for families of deaf kids, and this is the part 2. Do well to stay true, and you're going to be seeing signs for babies like mother, father, love, love you, and the rest and lots more. Do well to stay true to the end of the video. Do not forget to like, comment, share. If you are a parent, a sibling, or a caregiver of children or kids of hard of hearing or deaf, please do not forget to watch this video because this lesson is for you. Do well to learn and be connected to your kids. So let's learn how to sign ASL for families of deaf kids. Want, want, want. Mom, mother, mom, mother, or mommy. You just take your 5 flat hand this way, using your thumb, and place on your chin this way for mother, mom, mommy. Need, should, ought to, must. Now, these signs are same signs, but your facial expression is going to differentiate what you are saying. It's going to tell what you are saying. So, should, ought to, must. Your facial expression is going to give the intensity of your feeling when you sign must. 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 Should. Need. Ought to. Must. Potty, bathroom, or toilet. Now, a T-shaped hand this way, waving sideways for potty, bathroom, or toilet. So, potty, bathroom, or toilet. Need, must. Need, must. Who, who, who. It's a WH question, so your eyebrows will be down. Who, who. What, what. You just take your hand this way and you do this. What? Now for the sign for what, they have variations, which you can see different people signing same word using different variations. You could see 1, what? What? 2, what? What? But in this lesson, we are going to be using what? What? Where? Where? Don't forget your eyebrows will be facing downwards. Where? Where? When? 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 Why? 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 From your forehead, you pull it out to a Y. Why? 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 Go. Go. Go to. Go. You just take your index finger using your both hand and pushing it out this way for go. Go. Poop. Poo-poo. Poop. Now, you just take your hands this way, using your dominant hand, the thumb pulling out from your non-dominant hand this way for poo-poo, poop, whichever one, how you intend to say it. Poop. 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 Bat. Bat. You take your both hand this way, form an A-shaped hand, place on your chest and move downwards this way for bat. Bat. Batting, whichever one, depending on the context. But this is the sign. Bat. Bat. Bottle. Bottle, a glass, cylinder. Bottle or a glass or cylinder. Bottle. Cup. 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 Love. Love. You just take your both hand this way and hug it this way, like you place on your chest, cross this way, as if you're hugging somebody or the person you love. So, love. Love. Love it, whichever way, depending on your context. Love it. Love it. So, love it. Father, dad, daddy, whichever way. Now we're using our thumb on our forehead this way for father, dad, or daddy, just as we did mother on our chin. So, father, dad, or daddy. P, P, urine, whichever way. A P-shaped hand, we just place it on our nose this way for P, P, urine, or wee-wee, whichever one. P, urine, wee-wee. Come, come, come. Just as we signed go this way, this time around, we are pulling it towards ourselves. Come, come. Yo, yo, yo. Now you just take your 5 flat hand this way and direct it to the person you are having a discussion with or you are talking to. Yo, yo, yo. Great job, signers. So let's put some of those words into sentences. Do you want mommy? You want mommy? Where did mommy go? Mommy, go where? Did you poop? You poop? You? Where is your bottle? Bottle? Where? Do you want a bottle? You want bottle? All done. Great job, signers. Do not forget to practice. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll be a great signer. Do well to like, to comment, and also subscribe. Be notified so that you'll be the first to know whenever a new video is being posted. So, until next time, keep signing with me.